Man a stack cheddar pan cheddar bricks pan bricks. And no lightweight and no feather. Me a analyze money, call me money professor. My brain run at no like a processor. Me no love.
I'm tired and frustrated of their life here, you know. You mean just tell me say every day me get up and so me don't sit down there look and they suffer? Me tired of their condition here, man. Jeremiah! Jeremiah, I wonder where in there. Jeremiah!
Yes, babes.
You dey talk about yes, babe.
Yeah, go on.
We frustrated and tired of them condition here, you know. So we don't sit down every day they look for we one another.
Well, I don't understand what you mean.
Hungry they kill me as plain as that. Yeah. Me hungry. You not hungry?
No hungry, me eat something this morning.
The little bit of something you comfortable with it while me hungry, you know, hungry a kill me. And me can't sit down every day they look so. Me want good food for yam too.
Yeah, I call mommy and ask her if she know have nothing over there who can get feed.
Why you never call your ma for? Every day we hungry, so you don't get up there call your ma tell him say we hungry. Me know in that. Me and you need to get something for we oneself. We can't continue to depend on your ma every day. Yes. You understand what me they say?
Me understand, honey, but we now have no other way out. We search a job and not get a job. You understand? And I like saying
there must be another way out.
Me not understand me?
Well, you know what? Alright, since as you claim to say your mother fi help you know why you intend to turn in that condition, me not turn in there. Me they go check me brother. You understand what me they say?
Where you go check your brother for? Me not like them type of thing there.
Then if you every day you get up and check for your mother when we hungry, what you expect me to check my brother?
Up in a certain little thing.
Ah! Well, hungry they kill me and me want money and me not sit down here and go along like I say everything. Alright. Yeah, you want me have to say? Me cannot take this anymore. Me can't get up every day they clean. And then look some food will barely taste for me tongue. In that him dropping on me belly fit up the worm them. Me no say no. But what me they try say to you say, me can't sit down under this condition. Me hungry. And me want to looking at me fridge sometime and it's stuck. You understand? Me want live lavish like every other hot girl too. You understand what me they say?
Some of the time them me just fed up, you know. You like woman we can't satisfy, you know.
You're lucky, well tell you what.
Woman we can't satisfy, man.
You're lucky. Me can't sit down and go along like say all is well. So tell you what, me dey go up on me brother, me not no time to argue with you. You think me don't turn them down every day and make hungry kill me and pretend like all is well. I know well at all, so if you want quarrel for your business.
Me satisfy, man.
Me satisfy long enough. Me satisfy long enough.
Some of the time we don't go astray, you know. And that make we go astray, you know.
You see me they go astray. So you fi go to for your mother fi food fi yam. And me can't go to for me brother and tell him say me hungry.
But what if you go to your mother? That ain't nothing if you go to your mother for something, you know.
Well, alright,
my mother, you know.
Me no
trust my mother, you know. Me not trust your brother, you know.
What make you can't trust me brother?
Because you don't know when involved in already.
Look here, me and you know in an argument
today.
And you fi do a shut your mouth and go sit down. Me only call you and tell you so hungry they kill me and you go like you want me shut me mouth.
Listen man, go and go do what you have to do, man.
Let me go look.
Go on man and give place a break, man.
You're lucky. But talk truth. Me say Jeremiah him no easy, you know. Look how long we did they suffer. Hungry they kill we all kind of sitting there and to we. And he no want me tell for me family. Me brother can't help me and he no want me brother help me. Every day I run gonna feed mother yard. So what if me go to feed me brother? God almighty, what make him dance so man? You think say me they go there with him and make a hungry kill me? God forbid.
Yo, Shamar. Yeah man, where you going with? Yeah man, everything runs smooth last night, you know. Yeah. A 500,000 me get, man. Yeah, that me chop from the boy, man. You know say me there go and drink 2 liquor out I chop in money though. Yeah man, more you can link me one of them there, no brother. Oh. You Yeah, man, I can give you a thing, man. Just go link one of them there, man. Shamar, when you forward, bring a buckle of Hennessy. Yeah, me pay for it, man. Alright then. Alright, brother. We link up, man.
Lord God, come me brother, me brother.
You go with sis?
Lord God. And they realize you up in your yard they live.
We are going with.
Why me there, brother?
Glad to see you, man.
Hey, you're not easy, you know.
How kind of breeze blow you up yesterday now?
Lord God, I whole heap of things, man. But at them your life, you really up here they live, bro.
You drink?
Oh, you mean if me drink? Then me could have see you have so much sitting on this table and no drink sitting. Me want somebody to shut up.
You never call me and tell me say you come.
Me never want to call because me so vexed this morning, man.
Come to you.
Why me they go through one whole heap of problem, bro? Things now work out for me, man. Me say me don't get yard and hungry, they kill me, man. Eh?
Look like your rain are coming up.
Yeah, look like.
But little rain good for us still.
And that me I say a long time, me no sit down in a one rain drop. Lord God.
I chop a piece of food last night in a 500,000. Me get off I chop, you know.
And what the hell you they say to me? That's why you out here they got on so.
Me just call out my brother Shamar and tell him say yo. Me chop a piece of food in can come give me a link to get a little small out of it.
And you know easy, you share it with everybody.
Everybody. But you not link me up, sis.
And that's why me
you
come.
make a little fool man and tell you say no call link me. I'm afraid of me.
So you go.
Sure.
Then you know, sister, me come the right time. Lord God, then Kuya man. All of them have you.
But the bricks that in a girl.
Lord God, money to the world. You're not wrong to live lavish, you know, brother.
Yeah.
You are something else. Then to tell you the truth, you know. Me say me don't a yard and me and the man all kick off, you know. Cause me tell the man say me nah sit down there and dead for hungry, you know. I mean, know say you up here they live this away, you know.
So you know left the man see, say man nah make no progress in your life.
No man not all this thing there,
Nah
bro.
make no progress, only thing the man do is just itch up. Why not come join me and chop?
Brother not all
make your life
this thing
happy.
there, man. No man, him different from you, man. You understand what me they say? And everybody turn the same way. You chop
Yeah,
and he work out for you, and must work out for him.
Look at the type of clothes you wear.
Me they tell you.
If you be there right, you stand and chop with me, you know what kind of a pretty clothes you could have in a bashment this and
look
here. Look here.
And they look
A
good.
straight diamond them here, no girl. Look here.
God, they look good. Cause me they say to me, say me want this a complexion and woulda change if me when they chop like you know. But me can't afford it.
Cream. Easy. Sis, you have to come link me up more often, man. You stay away. Too much, man, sis.
That's how things set up, man. Me just love him, man. And you see, you never saw in the tan. Me can't this run well if him still, you know. Me no want play ungrateful, because me know the Israelites them. You understand me? So me have to bouncy with him. And me understand him still, because you have a Christian mind and me no really want dry him from it. Because no matter what, you still have to remember your God in everything. You understand what
you're
me
a good
say?
girl still in a sis. You can get a nice girl still in a.
He think me no nice, because to me say me they come up here, he say, no want your money, but me want it because me hungry.
But me don't know why I have you up there, staffer. I can just
Look how me maga. Look how me maga.
Your neck drink can catch water.
Lord God, come collarbone. He sink in a hole. You think I become me want look so?
Sure.
And this true me no want the problem with me and him, you know. That's why me no come up here. But me say
Yes.
when the hungry
You
sting
what
me.
me say, right?
Him
no want chop nothing. Why you no come and chop some food with me then? And bring, and you can go home and cook a big pot. Do anything you want to do.
Bro, tell you what.
Listen, my man, join me in a chopping world,
Me no have to come with you because next thing they the feds them whole with it. Tour we gone down. So tell you what, me want chop on me own. So you give me this thing and tell me what to do. And me will do it. Me no want the two of we together, cause guess me what, that a the problem, you know. With them a chop here, then creep all of their relative. So when the feds them come, everybody gonna jail.
Don't worry about feds, man. Me no like when they talk about them thing. When they talk about them thing, they come like say you're weak heart, you know, sis.
Say you no know,
talk about feds, John, me sis, man.
Me no like the police them.
Man, a weak heart thing that, man. A 5-0 you fi say, man. Nobody send a feds on me them, man.
A
5-0, man. Yeah, 5-0.
Okay. Remember say me no really follow them up.
Sure.
So me no know. So tell me something. me come up here because you me want do the chopping as well. So me want you to tell me what me fi do fi chop.
Alright,
You
you want to go
understand
on?
me? Yes. No fi got fi give me the money first, you know.
How
Give me
much
the
money you want?
Just give me sitting man, me can buy the food fi good on. You know, go cook something. If I need chicken back or sitting, no.
No, chicken back.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
cannot link your brother and I get chicken back. Come on, girl.
Me love chicken back.
Listen, my man.
Oh,
A
yeah.
steak. Well, it's a 50,000. This. Well,
Oh God, I kill you, want kill me. The whole of this I hear they give
take
me.
that man a 50,000 that man.
God, so me not having yam no more chicken back.
Listen, my man. Buy food for you and him, man.
Thank you, bro.
And
Thank
rate
you.
me still, but me rate him still in assist.
I know be kind of rate you just don't like what you're in. Because you know so they're sitting there really problem.
You want to go on. Right?
Uh-huh.
See some name here. You understand? You just make some calls, see some number and some things. You just make
Yeah.
some call, right?
Okay. So
So
me no
you want to go on now.
Come
Let me
in
tell
now
you-
and then catch me
listen
when me
now,
there.
you want to go on. Before you make it call them, you light 2 candles. Don't forget, you know. Light 2 candles and then you make it call and everything will go through from there, sir.
And what the hell you they said to me?
Simple
So
as that.
what the
Simple as that.
So
No
you
run over.
Me say me brother you know easy, you know. So what the candle them do?
Listen me. Go to the place there, the drugstore,
Yes.
and buy 2 Indian candles.
Oh, Indian candle
England,
special.
yeah man, special
Indian
candle.
one,
Just
okay.
light them,
Eh-heh.
and then you talk to the client them, and then everything will go through.
Alright. I hope you work out for me because you know say the first for me, you know.
Listen,
And
my
I
man,
hope when me
you
go
see,
down
from you
here,
like
you
them
know,
candle,
eh-heh.
everything will go through for you. You
Okay.
can tell me say you bingo.
How you say to me? How you say to me? So you want to tell me say in a no time your sister will be living lavish.
Yeah, go drive.
Me they gonna drive.
What you mean?
Lord
So you
God.
can't in them world, yeah, and
Me
not
say,
drive?
I look for your
Come on, man.
2-story house. It's pretty, no man. Yo.
That
me
is
tell you,
Choppa
say,
life, girl.
Choppa life.
Long time if you link me up a yard, I don't feel hungry.
My God, you know, say nothing before the time, you know.
Sure.
So nobody give yourself no trouble. Nothing before the time. But you know, say me down there dead feel hungry too. You could have come link me.
You don't want to come in your yard, man.
All
You have
right.
a whole heap of things for them. Look here, look where you could have drink long time. Eh?
A big liquor, yeah, you know.
Look at this, man.
And it tastes good enough. But me tell you, say, hash bad.
Well,
I know poor people drink them,
that's
yeah,
how
you know.
things set up. You can't chop and a drink cheap liquor.
Yeah, I tell you,
You know that taste.
Lord God, well, all right, tell you what.
Alright, you hear what me I say?
Mm-hmm.
Remember, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Remember to buy the candle before you
Yes,
make
the
the call.
Indian candle.
Yes.
All right. All right, no worry yourself. Well, bro, me glad say me coming up and me I tell you say, me not even, me wrap up this side up and me no want
Man, you
no
make
set.
it slide off, sis.
All right. Fix this up properly, you know. And me no want this up.
Me don't even know if you go why you do that still in a sis.
You no worry yourself. No worry yourself. He love me. Anything me tell him to do, he will do it. Cause he no want me left it. You understand? So, he go me case and drink this and come
Drink
along.
off that, you know, because you're not wasting, you know.
I mean, never drink it before. And if it tastes bad, me they drink off the whole of it.
Listen, man, drink it off, man.
Yeah. Mama should see us now.
That's what I'm saying.
Living lavish.
But you want one, sis.
Mm.
You're going to make a run, you know.
Alright, what you do? You go?
Me have some money to go collect, sis.
My God, and then me know you say you collect how much money
Yeah, but me
already?
still, remember, say, me have client and client, you know, sis. I say,
You
everything working.
you know say you're not easy, you know. You coming like a sister P when you don't see me. I'm
But you're
working. Alright, bro, me now keep up your time because me want to continue see you living lavish. So, me dey go run. And if it's so good, me dey go buy you.
Listen, me man,
so
drink off
whole
liquor.
heap of- me go buy whole heap of grocery car go down a yard.
Glad me could have help out, you know.
Yeah, man, me glad for the money so till. Thank you, Jesus. God, you're good to me, you know. Me just know so from me come up here, everything all right, you know, brother.
Come on,
Me
man.
glad, man. Aye. Why?
Glad to see you still.
All right, blessed love, you know.
Alright. Yeah, man, we link up, man.
Aye.
Just call me when you make a call and tell me how everything go.
Everything
Put
is
up the money good. Take the money out of your
worry
pocket,
yourself.
sis.
No worry yourself.
Nobody see you with the money
Me
and
can't
next thing me hear say they rob you down the road.
Lord God, I mean, no want you fi go feed them, you know, bro.
Sure.
All right. So, all right, yeah.
Yeah, man, we link up.
God, me I tell you, my brother, that you know, man.
Yo, Jonah. Yeah, man, me I get ready now, you know, to come give you a link, you know, so we can collect the food there, you know. Yeah, man, get ready now, because I leave, me I go leave out, you know. Alright, family, we link up. Yeah, man. That's why I could help out my little sister still.
Billions, billion. Man a stack cheddar pan cheddar bricks pan bricks. I no lightweight and no feather. Me a analyze money, call me money professor. My brain run hot no like a processor. Me no love slave driver, so keep we oppressor. Man a beat them bad belt, leather them can't keep up. Peace, pressure diamond stud boot, no sketcher. I said the money can't. I said the money can't. Bricks pan bricks in a bag with a couple pound. I said the money can't. I said the money can't. Hot foot out and I lock the street and the town. I said the money can't. I said the money can't. Girl get wild and start get crazy. When the markets pull up on me glass shady. Couple bricks in a bag, bam back weighty. 4 or 5 pound my waist just for my safety. Girl I tell me some sweet.